This is a screencast for RecursiView. RecursiView is a Windows application I wrote for the 2012 New Apps for the New Year promotion at donationcoder.com. I'm rather particular when it comes to organizing images and wallpapers on my computer, and I have them sorted into various folders and subfolders. Other image viewers I've tried allow you to view only one folder's worth of images at a time and require a lot of clicking around different folders to view all your images. So the idea behind RecursiView would be to make it easy to view all images within a given folder structure. For the purpose of this screencast, I've created a test folder structure with some sample images in it. We've got some tiles as well as some regular widescreen type wallpaper. When you first start up RecursiView, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. Now at this point, you need to load up a folder's worth of images. You can do that using the Browse button here on the right, or you can simply drag and drop a folder right onto the interface. Navigation is pretty straightforward. You can left click on images to view them. If you're keyboard centric, you can use the space bar to go forward, the backspace to go backward. If you like to use the mouse wheel, hover over the image, rotate the mouse wheel to navigate. You can also use the left and right toolbar buttons here. If you right click an image, you get several other options. You can open an image in your default image viewer. You can open the image folder, and you can also edit the image. What this will do is it will send the current image to your configured image editor. By default, that's Microsoft Paint, but using the extra configure image editor entry, you can change that to whatever you like. If you have Photoshop or Paint.net on your system, that sort of thing, you can change that here. Some other options: you can delete the image. This will delete it to the recycle bin only. You can copy the image to the clipboard, and what that will do is that will let you paste it into an image application. In this case, something like Microsoft Paint. You can copy the path to the clipboard, and this will copy the file path. You can use that in the text editor. There are 4 different wallpaper settings: scaled, stretched, centered, and tiled. The default is scaled, and what that will do is that will try to fit it to your resolution as best it can while preserving the aspect ratio of the image. So in this case, we have an image that is obviously a widescreen image, and we are going to set it on an 800 by 600 resolution. If we choose scaled, RecursiView will offer to let you choose the fill color. In this case, the default is black. Let's change it to white, and you can see what that option does. So in this case, you see our fill color is white, and the aspect ratio of the wallpaper is still preserved by RecursiView. You can use the slideshow mode if you'd like. Choose, in advance every 5 seconds. Let's change it to 2, and we'll turn it on. And every 2 seconds, it'll rotate to the next image. And simply click the toolbar button to turn it back off. RecursiView offers a couple different display modes. By default, details is what you see here. You can change that to Windows Explorer list mode, as well as the columns type mode. RecursiView offers 2 different thumbnail modes. This one is a side-by-side type mode, and the second one is more of a horizontal thumbnail mode. You can also change the size of the thumbnails if you'd like by using the View menu. We'll change it to something smaller so we can fit some more on there. And there you go. If you do not want to recursively load a folder, you can temporarily disable that using this here, and then you could just load one parent folder at a time. There you go, RecursiView.